check. Food, check. Second stop of the trip. We are, I would say, 2.5 hours into it. We started out with a 5.5 hour trip. We're about 3 hours away. We're gonna stop at this gas and go, get some gas, rearrange this seat here because everything's crashing on Kenzie. This is probably the most packed I've ever had this car. But I'm already tired of driving. Kenzie, you driving next? Let's go in here and get some snacks and some gas. Next stop is the Florida sign. I'm stopping at the Florida sign this year. So we'll see you guys there. All right, we've stopped again on the side of the road to stretch our legs. And I wanted to show you guys this because I thought this was pretty cool. Not every day you see motorcycles parked on some rocks. You don't see that every day. All right, we got about an hour left to our destination. These guys have no idea where we're going. I can't wait to get their reaction because it's gonna blow their mind. You guys got any guesses on where we're going?
To the beach.
To the beach. We are going to the beach, but that's in tomorrow. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. We are on a 4-day Florida road trip. This video is going to be just tonight, just this day and where we stay tonight, which is going to be absolutely epic. And then the next 2 videos are going to be in Carabel, Florida, and somewhere else that we've got planned that Kenzie has no idea about. So stick around. The next couple weeks, I'm going to be letting these videos go, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. Thank you for coming on this journey with us, and let's get back on the road. We made it, guys. We're right in front of the sign. We thought it was gonna be a big sign, but I'll take it. It's a little green sign, but it's nice. So here we go. We just saw a turtle. And we gotta save it. Nobody's trying to save the turtle's life, bro. Come here. Let's go. He's huge too. Jesus, he might be a snapping. All right. Let's see if I can. Oof. All right, guys. I got a picture in my pocket. All right, buddy. You be safe out there, man. Whew. If you ever see a turtle, you gotta save its life, man. How else is he gonna get across the street? All right, guys, back to the adventure. So many bugs already.
Yes, they're everywhere.
As soon as we got in Florida, the bugs are attacking us. All right, I feel better. Look at this. Holy smokes. All right. 1 turtle's life saved since we got in Florida. Literally about 5 minutes into Florida, we get to save a turtle's life, and he was a big one. He was peeing everywhere on me. All right, back to the trip. All right, we have made it to the spot that we're going. These guys still have no clue. And you guys are about to see it. So here we go. All All right, you guys at home that are watching this, you just saw what that is, what that sign said. You know where we're going now. These guys don't. I'm gonna make them keep their eyes closed until we get in. Oh, maybe not. Maybe because there's one right there. I don't know. All right, let's keep them closed. Here we go.
This is the trail that goes down to the lake. You just follow the end of the fence line. You'll see my yellow kayak on the ground. Just hang a left. That brings you right into the state forest. Number one rule on a farm is always open a gate, close a gate. Out there, sometimes it's open a gate, move quickly, close a gate. So, bathhouse is right here. Very simple. Compost toilet. Oh, hello, frog.
Oh, look at the frogkins.
Do you know that I had a guest call me at 1 o'clock in the morning and ask me to remove a frog from the bathhouse because they were terrified? And then back here, there's an outdoor kitchen area. There's a small fire pit between the weeds. Hello, Hope. It's amazing. Oh, are we coming out? See, it's dry. I'm not melting. Oh,
Aw.
that voice. Here we come, Hope. You stay, okay? This is Hope. And here comes Briar.
What do we do when we open a gate, Kins? We close it back, remember? This one's Hope, this one right here?
Yeah.
Hope.
And the big one is Briar, also known as Briar the Brat, Briar the Barnacle, and Briar the Bulldozer. Gigi is usually our resident greeter. Here she comes. She's like, oh, it looks like Briar beat me to it. Hi, Gigi.
Hope was trying to eat my hair.
What'd you say?
Hope was trying to eat my hair.
Hope was?
Y'all better not be in there. Ash, who keeps doing this?
Hey.
Hello? Now stop with the door.
So what do you guys think? You go camping here? Okay.
Let me show you where you're at. You can spend as much time out here. Aggressively affectionate is my favorite term.
Oh, there's so many of them, dude.
Yeah, 700. Oh, there's dog house.
You come out, Buttermilk.
What do you guys think?
I'm not real sure.
There's a bunch over there. Oh, I love them gray ones over there. Here is the
And nobody
boys.
followed us, so we can slip in. So this is the most important gate on the farm.
Oh, look at that one.
Don't let anybody trade places, no matter what they tell you, because those boys don't care who the girl is or how young. This is Mac.
Mac. Oh, that's a good name.
This is Buster. They
Oh, look at Buster.
destroyed my bale of hay, took the tarp off of it, and it rained, and we ruined it. So, piece of property
his
with
beard.
4 very
Guys, look at his
neglected
beard.
gates on it. Oh my goodness. I had the boys get jealous. I had no choice. I had to buy it.
Oh.
Mom's a realtor. She kept saying, you cannot buy
This one's called Mac.
What's up, man? How you doing?
And now I'm just like,
Are you camera shy?
Sunday is my lazy day. Oh yeah.
All right, so we're camping over here, right in the middle. Guys, we are soaked. That came out of nowhere. Woo!
Look inside your car.
Oh, man.
Did you bring towel?
And we're camping tonight, guys. Oh, man. So, now that you know the surprise, we're camping on a goat farm. In a thunderstorm at that. This is the best vlog ever. What an adventure this is, dude. Whew. All right, we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna go back out to the store if I can get down this driveway now, because I almost got stuck on the way in here. We're gonna go back to the store, get some stuff, and then come back. Hopefully the rain stopped and we'll put the campsite up. All right, here goes nothing. You buckle up?
got it, you got it.
Yeah, come on!
Oh my god.
Tell me this ain't an adventure, bro.
Oh, here we go again.
All right, so we came back down the road. That was an absolute adventure. I don't know how we made it out of there, to be honest with you. We ran into one puddle that was so deep, it went over the whole car. Got the ice. We're gonna put the beer over ice. Then we're gonna get back, and since it quit raining, hopefully we can get our tent up. And then just go from there, because at this point, we're just winging it. Bottom could drop out at any second. Let's see if we can make it back through these again, guys. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh, that one was pretty easy.
Don't forget about that one.
Okay, we're coming back through the long driveway to the goat farm. And it's not raining this time, but those puddles are definitely bigger. I know they are. So we have arrived back to the goat camp. Brittany's gonna unlock the gate and we're gonna drive right to where we're putting our tent up, guys. So check this out. All right, close it quick. Let's back up to our spot. All right, so we're gonna be right here for the night. Hopefully get a fire going in this fire pit. All the goats are over there. They're still in the barn because it started raining real hard. But we're gonna get this tent up as quick as possible. Let's go. All right, this is my favorite part of putting a tent up. It's this quick. You ready? Boom, just like that. The tent's up. That was easy. So all the time saved, we're gonna go check this little goat camp out. This goat farm. All the goats are up there at the barn hiding because it was raining earlier, pouring down. That's what I'm talking about. But anyways, this is located in Tallahassee, Florida. Little goat farm that you can camp at. You can camp in these, or you can camp in your own tent. This is an absolutely cool place. It's on Airbnb is where we found it. I think it's on Hippocamp as well. Other than that, let's go do some exploring. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go see some goats.
Yay!
Where are these goats at? Well, here's one. Here's Leroy. All right, found Leroy. Leroy, come here, boy. What is it? You want me to leave you alone because you're eating? Leroy said, get out of here. This is the guy with the big beard that y'all saw earlier. Leroy. All right, Leroy, we'll leave you alone. We'll let you eat. Where's your other ones at? Bet they're over there. Leroy, where they at? Look at these chickens. Are those roosters? Oh, there's one in there? Where? Oh, that's Mac.
Chilling with this guy.
That's Mac. There's a rooster with some eggs in there. Oh my goodness, we found all of them. This is where they were. What's up, guys? Hey, boy.
Hey.
There's boys over here. Let's go back in here with all of them. How you doing, guys? Hey there. Oh, here's the pig. I found the pig. Look at this big old guy. Holy smokes. Hey there, boy. There's so many goats, bro. Look, they're everywhere you look. Look at this guy. He's like, really? There's so many goats. This is so cool, guys. Some in here. That pig is so big, bro. I don't even know what to think. There's so many goats. This looks like Mac. I don't know though. They all look the same.
No, Mac has one missing ear.
Hey there, baby.
One missing.
Hey, look at these
These are
guys,
nice
man.
ones.
Do you see the big pig? Man, this place is so cool. Hey. Oh, he moved. He's coughing.
Hi, you good?
Are you alright, bud?
You see the one with the horns?
Alright, well, we're going to hang out with these goats for a little bit longer, and we'll see you guys back at camp.
He ran away from.
Kitty, kitty. Look at this, guys. Little beetle. All kinds of life out here. Can't get Brittany out of the goat farm. Can't get Brittany out of the goat house. There's more goats over there. Dude, look at this spider, guys.
Mama, look at
They're literally the best spotters ever.
It's not even focusing. It's not, the camera's not focusing, but this spider is like a little bit smaller than the palm of my hand. All right, let's go to this little community area over here. It's the bathroom. It has a spot where you can get like cook, I think. All right, let's go before the goats get out. Go, go, go.
Go, Power Rangers.
Rule number 1. When you open a fence here, gotta close it back. Boom. So here there's grills, little hangout area. Cook right here. I've got charcoal. We can put the hot dogs on that actually. This is pretty cool. Nice. Okay, so I might use that grill tonight. And then let's go check over here. If it rains, we can just use this area. Wow. Man, this place is awesome. Come here, kitty. Hey, hey, look at this kitty, Kenzie.
Whoa.
This is a cool chilling room. If it rains next time, we're just gonna hang out in here for a little bit. Cause look at all those board games. Look at all those board games, guys.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness, it's about to be a party. Sweet, look at this. There's an old. Look at this, dude. There's a Super Nintendo, or actually a Nintendo, my bad. This is before the Super Nintendo. With all of these games. Look at this, Kenzie Reynolds. What do you know about this? Dad's childhood right here.
What is this? Is this Minecraft?
Monopoly. Oh, I remember this one. The Black Bass. You guys remember that? Well, those of you that were born in the 80s and 90s. Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
They got this, I don't know what this is.
Captain Skyhawk. Oh, dude, this one was crazy. We gotta play this tonight. What do you think, Kitty? Oh, man. We're gonna have so much fun here, guys. Dude, what a freaking find.
Let's go see what's in the fridge, guys.
Ooh, let's go see what's in the fridge. Nope, right here. That's blocked off.
We got some strawberries.
Strawberries. See if there's any ice cream in that freezer.
Got
Ooh, some popsicles.
This is ice.
Awesome. Wait till your mom sees this room, dude. She's gonna flip. Holy smokes. All right.
This room is the best ever.
Yeah, we're gonna start playing in here, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. Oh, there's Super Mario Bros in there.
Let's play it.
Dude, look what was already in here.
Super Mario Bros.
Dun, 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 dun. If the orange gun is in here somewhere, I'm gonna freaking lose it. There used to be an orange gun to this that you could play Duck Hunter with. They don't have it, but it's cool. Oh, this is what you used to have to do back in the day. My daughter knows nothing about this. You used to have to go to clean it out. All right, let's try it out. So here's the firewood game plan. They ran out, so I can't buy any. And we didn't bring any because the car was full. So we're gonna start collecting this stuff right here. Like these. It's wet, but. All right, carry on. Watch out for these big spider webs. Dude, that spider is huge, dude. Spider is huge. All right, to the car. And we gotta start collecting firewood. We gotta start collecting firewood so we can have some for tonight. Because I was banking on buying some here. But unfortunately, she said they ran out. And it rained here, so everything's probably wet, to be honest with you. Look at that cat. All right. How do you get through this one? There we are. Way over there. Don't them roosters know what time it is? We got all this wood we can come back and get. We'll get us a fire going. All right. Start throwing it right here. And we'll start collecting. So we're chilling in the car because it's raining again. Wouldn't you know? Florida weather. But hey, we got something to drink though. It's a pretty cool first day on our 4-day Florida trip. But this video is going to end tonight, guys. So if you want to see the rest of the trip, you got to stay tuned in for the rest of the week. The next 3 days will be coming throughout the week. We're going to stay at Lanark Village tomorrow, which is going to be cool, man. You guys will like that. That is going to be it used to be a army, what did I say it was? Huh? Barracks. All these houses used to be army barracks. And they changed it, I don't know when. I'll do some research, tell you guys. But until then, we're going to sit here in the rain and enjoy this because this is still amazing, man. We're on a goat farm, bro. We're on a goat farm. This is why I love camping with goats. Hey boy. Hey man, I like your beard, dude. Go see them. Go see Kenzie Bug. You want some bug spray? I got some. Yeah, let's go over here. Come on. I feel you, man. Bugs are getting me too.
Nobody.
Hey.
They can't go in there. It's closed. This is so awesome. It's just nice with one goat. Imagine if there was imagine if all of those goats were over here. That would be crazy. Give it to him. Here you go. Hold on, I'll make him up. Hang real quick. Let me get a good leaf.
That's good. Hey, Dada, can I make one? Can you give me a leaf?
All right, guys. We found
Well, that has some extra stick on it.
what this guy likes. You gotta. Whoa, time out. Gotta pack a leaf full of some good stuff, like this, like so. Okay, make a leaf cabbage or leaf something. Look at him. Here you go. Here you go, buddy.
No.
Hey.
Betty,
It's like he shook all this stuff out of it.
this is what I made.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, we're about to get supper started. Got the box of goodies. Got our hot dog buns, forks, our drinks, fire starters, chips. Here's what we need. Put everything back in here for right now. Oop. I have nothing to open these up with, unless, let's go check and see if there's a can opener, or we're not going to be able to have our baked beans. All right, let's hope there's a can opener in here, guys. Think there is?
Yes.
Cross your fingers. Or we can't have our baked beans.
No.
Oh, they got spices in here and all kinds of stuff. Surely there is. Surely there is. Look at this. Look at these straws, Kenzie Bug.
That's right.
Yes. And we found a can opener.
Dad.
Nice. So we can open this. All right, I'm going back out here and cooking our food, guys. Let's go back out here and cook. Can opener was clutch. Like I said, guys, stay tuned till next week and see where we go from here. Because when we leave here, we're going to continue our Florida adventure. We're gonna sit there and let those cook for a while. I'm gonna take this stuff inside. These are old. Food's done. Let's go eat.
And one in a bun.
There's some right there. Nice. Came all the way to Tallahassee, Florida, to a goat farm. We're in here chilling, eating hot dogs, baked beans. Then after this, we're gonna go chill back at camp. It's nice to be in here without the bugs, though, I'm not gonna lie, because we were getting drilled. If you've been to Florida, you know how bad the bugs are. All right, do a little taste test real quick. Kind of burning hot dogs. You like it? Cheers. Delicious.
Two.
Oh, all right, I'm stuffed. We're gonna chill here for a little bit, and we'll see you back at camp. Can you get one from the top?
No, it's cheating. No, might not.
So wrong for that.
You're making harder on all the.
Oh, good one, Dad.
Yes.
Good.
That
And the
was not.
cat said we were done.
That was not our fault.
He said no more. You're done.
And the cat loses. What'd you do that for?
So actually,
All right, well, I guess we're going back to camp now. As much as I could fall asleep right there, right now, we got to go back to camp. I got to get some more firewood. I got to make a fire, just keep these bugs away. And then probably call it a night there. We'll see you back. All right, so we came back to camp and check this out. Look at all of our friends. They came to join us. Look at this, I'm trying to get in the seat. Hey, boy. Is that for you, man? Oh my goodness. Look at this one, guys. This one's awesome.
hey guys, this guy's name is Hunter.
Hunter. Hey, Hunter. This definitely beats the safari, the zoo safari. This is crazy, dude. Come here, boy. What do you think about the... I wonder what they're gonna think about the fire.
Oh no.
Yeah, I know. I hope it doesn't scare them away. All right. Well, speaking of this fire, let's get the fire going. What are you doing next to the car, bro? You're being weird. You're acting weird, bro. You're being suspicious. What you doing?
Hello?
You look like a horse, dude. All right. Well, I believe that's going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned next week. to see where we go from here. And until then, we'll see you on the next adventure. And remember, be epic. See you next time, guys.